So then, welcome back to EMS Grade 9. This video we want to look at a question for the preparation of the general ledger. And we are going to look at the preparation of the trading stock account in particular. So this is the question that we have. So it says the following records were extracted from the books of Vivo, traders of 31 August 2023. For the required part used information below to complete the following general ledger accounts for the month ending 31 August 2023. So 4.1 it requires us to prepare the trading stock, which is 8 months. So we are given columns totals in the subsidiary journals of Vivo traders on 31 August 2023. So remember, subsidiary books represents our books of original entry, where we enter transaction taking information from the source documents, and after subsidiary books, we need to post the transactions in the ledger accounts. Remember, we have three different types of ledgers that we have. We got the purchase ledger, we've got the sales ledger, also we've got the general ledger. So this is what we have. So according to this trading stock account, you see that it classifies, we classify it under the general ledger. So this is what we have. So we are given this information in terms of cash receipts journal of people traders. So if you go down, you see that we also given the cash payments journal of people traders on August 2023. Beneath that, we have got debtors journal of people traders, and also we have got creditors journal of people traders. So this is the information that we are just going to transfer to the trading stock account. Uh, Remember, a trading stock account records all the transaction that is concerning our purchase of goods and our sales of goods. When we purchase goods, it's going to increase our trading stock our balance, and then when we sell, it means goods are going out, then it's going to reduce our trading stock balance. So remember, our trading stock also, what we have to know is that our trading stock is our current asset account. So this represents our current asset account. So we have to take note of that. So basically, what we are concerned with, it's an asset. So whenever we are going to receive those goods, we're going to debit them in that trading stock account. When they're going out, we are supposed to credit them. And when they are going out in the form of our sales, we are supposed to credit them with the cost of sales balance. Remember, when we are purchasing them, we debit them with cost of sales balance, and then when they are going out also, we should take note that we should not credit them with the same price, but it's cost of sales balance. So we're going to see that the journals also have a column that we have for cost of sales. So for the first journal that we have, we've got the cash receipts journal for people traders. It means in the cash receipts journal, we are going to record the sales. Remember, the description that we are given there, we've got sales, but we are not concerned about the figure for sales. We are concerned about the figure for cost of sales. So we're going to check this 73,200. And this is sales. These are sales, so it means goods are going out. So we're going to credit side, the trading a stock account. So basically, we are saying in the trading stock, when we make sales, we are supposed to credit them in the trading stock account at cost of sales figure, cost of sales balance. But when we are purchasing, put them on the debt side. Remember, the figure that will be able to purchases will be the cost of sales figure. So we are not going to adjust it in terms of trying to see the proportion of our cost of sales. We can only try to find the proportion of our cost of sales when we are making our sales. Because when we are making our sales, they will be its selling price. So we need to adjust it to cost of sales. So in this case, it's already calculated as 73,200 representing our cost of sales. So you have to go to the credit side of the trading stock account and enter that amount. So remember, this is the cash journal as our on the folio column. We're going to put our CRJ representing our cash receipts journal. So if you come in, put the answer section now, we are just going to adjust the size. So this is what we have all our answer section. So we're going to come on the credit side, and you're saying cost of sales. Remember, this transaction is on 31 August. So we say cost sales. And on folio, we're saying I will take this information from cash receipts journal. So we say CRJ, and the amount that we have 73,000. go back and try to see what we have that of the next journal that we have. It's the cash payment journal. And the cash payment, obviously, we are buying the stock, and in the trading stock account, we only go to the column for trading stock, which is here, and we are not given the figure as a question mark. So what does it mean? Remember, when you say trading stock plus stationery plus wages plus the central account balance, you're supposed to get the total, which is 170,500. So to get the balance here, we're just going to say this total minus 1,500 minus 4,000 minus 40,500. So basically, we are saying, in this case, we are going to say 170,500, 170,500, and then you're going to subtract the 1,500, then subtract again the 4,000, then subtract finally 40,500. And you do that, you're going to see that you are going to get to 71,500. So this is the figure for trading stock here. So we're just going to enter it inside. All the others, all the following column, you're going to put our cash payments on the CPJ. So we go there, and we are buying. It's a payment, which means we are buying. So we go to the debit side. We are saying we have already pre-entered figures there in terms of the dates. We have also given details columns also pre-entered, and following columns also pre-entered. So we're just going to enter the amount, which is 71,500. Then go to the next one. In the next journal, we have the data journal. So remember, these are sales of credit that are recorded in the data journal. So we're given the sales and selling price, which is 72,000. Then its cost of sales will be the proportion of cost of sales that we're giving be 48,000. So we're just being concerned with the cost of sales when you are entering the trading stock account. So we're going to pick our 48,000 and go to the credit side, 48,000. So we come here. We are saying again cost of sales. Remember, this is our data store. So this is what we have. And then we can just try to see in terms of the other journal that we have. Remember, we also have just a journal that we have at the end. So we come here, you see that we are given creditors journal. We've got 82,200 is total, but after that we have got 51,000 for trading stock, stationery 1,200, equipment 8,000. So we are only concerned about our trading stock. So this is the figure that we are going to be concerned with. So now we're going to enter this one. Remember, here we are saying it's creditors, which means we are buying, which means we are receiving this trading stock. So we go to debit it, the trading stock account. So we go there. We are now here, we are saying we are receiving, we are saying creditors, control. Remember, these are pages of credit, so we're saying creditors, control. And then in the column for our folio, obviously this is our creditors total, so CJ. And then the amount that we have is 51,000. So we have exhausted all the totals that we have. So we need now to find the balance that we have there as the balance sheet. Remember, if we add the total of debit, we see that it's going to be greater than the total that we have on the credit side. So at the total of the debit side, we say 6,400 plus 71,500 plus 51,000. Get the total, which is bigger, and it's supposed to come in between the double lines on sides. So if you add there, you're going to see that you're going to get 148. 148,900. This is the total that we have on the debit side. And is the greater total than what we have on the credit side. So it's the one that's supposed to come in between the double lines, both sides. So it's supposed to come here again. It's 148,900. Then if we calculated the total, and we found that the debit side is greater. Remember, this is the first step that you have to make by saying add the total of the debit and also add the total of the credit. So the credit, you are supposed to say 73,200 plus 48,000. So if you do that there by saying 73,200, then you get your 48,000. Supposed to get you 121,200. So it's less than the total that we have on the debit side, which is 140,900. So that's why we are putting the debit total to be double lines both sides. So the balance now we are saying the bigger total minus the lesser total. So we are now saying 148,900 minus the total of the credit, which is 171,200. And then you see that let's try to calculate it as such. And let's try to see what we get there. So if we say 140,900 minus 40,000 minus 72,200, so the total that we are supposed to get, the difference there should be 27,700. So we are saying 27,700. And remember, this balance sheet is also supposed to come on the opposite side below the double lines. Again, is balance BT. Then you get your 2700. You put again the same figure, 27,700. Which is this one. This figure should be the same. So this is what we have according to this video. And those who may subscribe, please subscribe and share. We are still coming with most videos. That's what this video. I'm signing out.